225 kilometer range on a single charge and premium look design and 25,000 rupees cashback if you plant 10 tree saplings. But how far does this Prana electric bike satisfy the customers? So let's see the complete review in this video. So for genuine information on electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And if you are interested to watch our videos in your regional language, please do subscribe our regional language channels like EV Telugu, EV Tamil, EV Gujarati, EV Bengali, EV Urdu, and all these regional languages we are maintaining to create awareness all around India. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Today we have Prana Grand electric bike with us. Actually this is a lower version of the Prana electric bike. The company have launched two electric bike variants, the same bike with better battery pack. This electric bike having a battery capacity of 4.32 kilowatt hour, whereas the higher range variant having a battery capacity of 7.32 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack. That is the reason it will give around 225 kilometers of range, and this base variant will give a range of 125 kilometer range, whereas all the other features like the speed and the whatever the odometer, everything will be the same except the range of the bike. Now coming to the design of this electric bike, it seems to be very futuristic in terms of design and the build quality also. Let me check the build quality. And this trunk part seems to be made with metallic element, and the supporting parts are made with fiber plastic, and the guarding also made with fiber plastic element, and the remaining badging also made with fiber plastic. I think mostly you can say like 70% of the bike is made with metallic element and the remaining 30% is made with fiber plastic. Now let's start with the bike comfort. What are the feel of this electric bike? I have already ride this electric bike just to show you. I am telling. I think you can say the comfort of the seat, you can say up to 65% out of 100 score I can give. But if you see the back seat, maybe most of the sports bike, that is the reason they might give a very small seating here. What are the pillion seating? It seems to be very small. I'm not sure like whether it is comfortable for the pillion. I think it's somewhat they need to rectify if they have the chance, but as the design comes like this, maybe they cannot change this. Now coming to the electric bike specifications, the Prana Grand has a battery capacity of 4.32 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack. You can see the battery has LiFe PO4. Coming to the speed of this electric bike, they have mentioned around 123 km top speed that you can reach in the sports mode of this electric bike. So they have given 4 modes in this electric bike. First one is practice mode, and the second one is drive mode, and the third mode is sports mode. In the practice mode, they have mentioned 45 km per hour speed, but while we tested this electric bike, we got a top speed of up to 55 km per hour. And the drive mode and sports mode, they have mentioned around 123 km per hour. That speed you can reach both in this drive mode and the sports mode, but the only difference is the acceleration. In the sports mode, you will get the acceleration much faster, but in the drive mode, you will get a slow acceleration in that particular mode. And one more thing, the battery pack, whatever they mentioned, the 4.32 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack, it is a fixed battery pack, and it is not a detachable battery pack. And whereas the charging point, I will show you the charging point of this electric bike. So this is the charging point here. So with a 15 amp charger, this bike can be charged in 4 hours 15 minutes, whereas the Prana Elite variant can be charged around 6 hours time. Now coming to the braking system of this electric bike, they have given dual disc brake at the front side, and also the tires are 17-inch tubeless tires. And the disc brake are actually 240mm disc brakes. In the rear side we have single disc brake. On the back side you will get a monoshock absorber, and the front side is a telescopic suspension. Now coming to the lighting system of Prana Grand electric bike. So this is the lighting options of Prana electric bike. So this is the light for high beam and low beam. And these are the side light indicators. And this is the horn, and the horn is very louder actually. That thing is really impressive. So I will show you how to on this Prana Grand electric bike. So just keep this key, and this is on off button. So right now it is in reverse mode, that's why the electric bike is moving backside. So if you want to off this bike, you have two options. Either you can remove the key, or else you can simply switch the button. If you off here, the bike will not move. So these are the two options. Now coming to the dashboard of this electric bike, and the dashboard seems to be very small, very compact in size. And you can see the speedometer of this electric bike, and below that you can see the trip meter, how many kilometers you have traveled. It's showing 66 kilometer. And here you can see the battery percentage. Right now it is showing 50% of the battery, and here below that you can see the time. It's 5:12, and this is actually, if you press this button, it will show the odometer of this electric bike. And above this dashboard you can see the RPM of this bike. This is overall dashboard features in this electric bike. And one more thing, the trunk part, it is actually closed. Earlier version they have given as an open version, but that part you cannot, there is no boot space. But I think seems like they have closed in this bike. Maybe in the new bikes they have closed this trunk part completely. So I have already tested this Prana Grand electric bike, so I would like to share my feedback. What are the positives and negatives I have observed in this electric bike? And I would like to start with the positives of this electric bike. Firstly, the premium design. Literally what they have mentioned, everything, it seems to be premium, and the build quality is really good. As per the pricing, whatever they have mentioned, the build quality is good, and the braking action is also really good. What are the front braking and the rear braking system is really accurate, and it stops accurately. And even though if you are going in top speed up to 80 km/h or in 100 km/h, the braking action seems to be perfect. In terms of seconds only, the action is good. Now coming to the negatives of this electric bike, what I have observed is the rear seat. That seems to be maybe just because of the sports bike look model. If you want to ride with a passenger, and definitely the other person might not feel comfortable. That is the first thing. And the second point I would like to highlight about this electric bike is this front trunk portion. Most of these petrol bikes having a good turn radius, but because of this trunk part, it is obstructing this suspension part. So you cannot turn this bike in terms of sharp turning. This bike is actually obstruction, and this suspension part got obstructed by this front trunk part. So that one I have observed, especially in turnings. I would show you. See, so you cannot completely turn this electric bike. That is one more point I have noticed in this electric bike. Maybe they could have improved in this. Maybe they could reduce this length of this badge. Maybe that could help. And the third point I would like to mention is about the smart features. You are putting around 2 lakh rupees on this electric bike, and there is no other smart features available in this electric bike except this dashboard. And that part they could have mentioned, like just at least for the customer satisfaction, they could have mentioned some smart features in this electric bike, like the remote lock, unlock, or any kind of GPS navigation, at least in their phone. That would really satisfy the customers. And one more thing, they could have improved the ground clearance length also, because if you going on a high length speed breaker, it is actually touching that, and you will get sound also. That part they could have improved. They could increase that length also, the whatever the ground clearance. And these are the points they have to improve in this Prana electric bike. So after a complete review on this Prana Grand electric bike, this bike is mostly suitable for someone who is looking for a premium electric bike, and they need high acceleration and high speed, especially like more than 100 km/h speed if they are fascinated to drive a sports bike, and that too if they are doing up and down for around 100 kilometers daily, and this bike is really suitable for them. But if you are a normal commuter, like going for 50 to 60 kilometer range, and definitely this seems to be a little costlier, because price of this Prana electric bike is around 2.3 lakh rupees on road price. I am telling the on road price even after the cashback of the 10 tree saplings. That is seems to be a little expensive of this Prana Grand electric bike. But someone who is going for up and down 100 km range, this is really suitable for them, because in this bike you can go around 125 km range in the eco mode, whereas the elite variant you can go up to 225 km range. So on that particular aspects, this bike is really suitable for them who really wants a premium electric bike, and that build quality is really good in this electric bike. So that's a complete review of Prana Grand electric bike. For genuine information on electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Go green, go electric.